Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home and doing well. Children, this is our first English literature class. So, first of all, I will give you an introduction of your English literature book. So, see, children, you can see on your screen this is a new English literature book. Its name is New Buzzword Part 2 for Class 2. You will also have to maintain an English notebook. So, your literature notebook will be as same as your language notebook, having 4 lines. Is that clear, children? So, now starting with your chapter, open to page number 12. Chapter number 2, The Hidden Sun. Children, today I am going to give you a short introduction of this story, so please listen to it very carefully. This is a story of animals living in forest and the sun which hid behind the hills. So one day, what happened that the sun hid behind the hills and there was no light and there was night everywhere. There was total darkness and all the animals were all confused. As you can see in this picture, these all animals are confused. They cannot see this animal, this elephant bumped into the tree. His head got hurt. Okay. And this cheetah cannot see anything. Okay. This deer has also gone in front of cheetah, so they were not able to see anything in the night. There was all darkness. Okay, and the animals were all confused. They didn't know what to do. Where are they going? What were they doing? Who was seeing them? They didn't know anything. Then they had a meeting to decide which animal can call out the sun. Then, children, you know who came out first? Lion. The lion came out first to call out the sun as he was the king of the forest. So he roared very loudly. In his very loud voice, he roared to call out the sun. But you know what happened? The sun did not came out. So the lion failed. Then an elephant came out to call out the sun and he trumpeted loudly, but he also failed. So the next animal which came out was the peacock. So when the peacock came out, see, this is a peacock, and this peacock danced in the night and he shouted loudly to call the sun. But again, what happened, children? The sun did not came out. Then, children, do you know who came to call out the sun? A colorful rooster. You know what is a rooster? See, this is a rooster. And rooster is also called a cock. So, the rooster came out and crowed loudly. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Then, you know what happened, children? The sun peeped out from behind the hills. The sun was hiding now, so it peeped out, means it came out little bit from behind the hills. Then, seeing this, all the animals were very happy. So what happened, children, next? Then again the rooster called out the sun, but this time he was more loudly. So he called out the sun in a very loud voice. Cuckoo, cuckoo. So what happened? The sun came out high in the sky. As you can see in the picture, the sun came out high in the sky and it was bright, very bright. So after seeing the sun in the sky shining brightly, all the animals were very happy. They were all very glad to see that sun shining. So what happened, children? After this, it is the after this, from that time it is said that when the rooster crows in the morning, then the sun rises and shines. So children, this is the whole story. Did you understand that? Now, with this assignment, children, with this video, children, I will give you an assignment in which you will complete your book exercise on page number 16. It is the B part. See, on page number 16, B part. Where is it? See, it's here. The B part, say true or not true. These you will do as I will give in your assignment. Okay, I will be giving you the answers so you can do from there. Till then, children, be happy, be safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye, children.